Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're ready to begin. First, check that WhatsApp has microphone permission and is updated. Open the chat for the person or group you'll call and tap the phone icon for a one-to-one call or the group call option. Make sure you're on reliable Wi-Fi or a strong mobile data connection because voice quality depends on bandwidth. Once you've started the call, you'll see on-screen controls, mute, speaker, and add participants, so you can manage the session immediately. Once the call is active, use the mute button to silence yourself quickly. This prevents background noise from interrupting others. Tap the speaker icon to switch between earpiece and loudspeaker, and use the camera icon to switch to video if you want to escalate to a video chat. To bring more people in, tap Add Participant and select Contacts. WhatsApp shows who's available. If your connection is weak, enable low data mode. In WhatsApp settings to stabilize. To finish, tap the red Hang Up button. The call will appear in your chat log with duration. If you or others can't be heard, first check microphone permissions and that Bluetooth isn't routing audio to another device, then restart WhatsApp. Make sure notifications and background app refresh are allowed so incoming calls reach you. If problems persist, back up your chats and reinstall the app, only after backup, because that fixes corrupted installs while preserving your messages and call history.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.